Did you know the world's most prolific serial killer confessed to over 300 murders in a single afternoon? On October 28, 1999, Colombian prosecutor Alfonso Gomez sat across from what looked like just another homeless vagrant. Luis Garavillo had been arrested for minor charges: dirty clothes, unkempt hair, nothing special. Gomez expected a routine questioning that would last maybe an hour, but when the questions began, Garavito stayed silent. He avoided eye contact and gave short answers. Then suddenly, something changed. He looked up and said he had things to tell. What followed was 6 hours of horror. Garavito calmly described murder after murder across multiple provinces. He drew maps, gave exact locations, explained his methods in chilling detail. Children lured away, killed, and buried in remote areas. By evening, he admitted to being the Beast, Colombia's most wanted killer. Investigators immediately expanded their search and found mass graves exactly where he said they would be. His confessions were all true.